know we're missing, and they have tracking dragons. If you so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kick.
Hiccup? He's not a problem. Really. Trust me.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne, Burke, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Dragon Master. I, alone, control the dragons.
No, sorry.
She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here.